Welcome back to Financial Literacy for Beginners. In our last lesson, we explored the foundations of financial literacy. Today, we're diving into one of the most important skills you'll ever learn: budgeting. So, what exactly is budgeting? At its core, budgeting is a plan for your money. It's about knowing how much you have, how much you need, and how to allocate it to meet your financial goals. Think of it as a roadmap for your financial journey. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your spending and end up living paycheck to paycheck. But with a solid budget, you can take control of your finances and work towards the life you want. Here are just a few benefits of having a budget. It reduces stress. Knowing where your money is going gives you peace of mind. It helps you save. A budget ensures you set aside money for savings and emergencies. It empowers decision-making. It lets you prioritize your spending based on what matters most to you. Now that we understand the importance of budgeting, let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is understanding your income. This means knowing exactly how much money you bring in each month. Be sure to account for all sources, like your paycheck, side hustles, or any other earnings. If your income varies, take an average of the last few months to get a realistic picture. Next, track your expenses. Write down every dollar you spend for a month, from rent and groceries to coffee and streaming subscriptions. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper to keep track. Once you've done this, categorize your spending into fixed expenses, like rent and utilities, and variable expenses, such as dining out or entertainment. Now comes the fun part: creating your budget. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. It's a simple guideline that suggests you allocate 50% of your income to needs, like housing and groceries, 30% to wants, like entertainment and dining out, 20% to savings and debt repayment. Of course, this is just a starting point. You can adjust these percentages based on your unique financial situation and goals. Sticking to your budget can be challenging, especially at first. Here are a few tips to help. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account so you're not tempted to spend the money. Review your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Check in monthly to see what's working and what isn't. Use cash for discretionary spending for things like dining out or shopping. Withdraw cash and stop spending once it's gone. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about intention. When you budget, you're telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. In our next lesson, we'll talk about saving for your future and how to make the most of your money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. See you next time.